Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Out in the shop today, and I'm gonna do a little decoration. I've had this thing sitting around probably 15 or 20 years. I bought it at a World of Wheels car show. It's a gear shifter knob. It's just a raw one. There's not even a hole cut in the bottom to screw it onto anything. You're supposed to paint it yourself. I had plans of putting it in a hot rod, and it's been sitting on my workbench or sitting in my house or whatnot for forever. So I'm finally going to do something with it. I have my bead roller behind me, and right now I just have an Allen key welded into the top of the nut to tighten up everything. And I'm gonna build a little handle that you can grab onto and tighten everything up. So I think it'll look cool. Gets the thing off my shelf, actually makes it so that it's useful. So let's get to work. Drilled a hole in the bottom. I may have to go a little bit bigger. Let's hope. Before I go any deeper. Okay, we're gonna go for it. I don't think that's the right size tap. There we go. Now I got it right. One and 5/8. Piece of scrap pipe I had in the corner, so it's all dirty and full of spiders, and so I think a little, and who knows, I grabbed this bolt out of my bin too, could have it bended. Okay, I'm gonna cut this Allen key off that I literally just put on here 2 days ago. Okay, there we go. Much better handle than that little Allen key that I had. And it's styling too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. One less piece of clutter on my shelves. Looking cool on the bead roller. See you in the next video. I'm out.